Hi. So this question is asking you what units chemists use for density of liquids and solids, and then the density, and then for gases. They ask you to explain the differences. So first, let's go over the units that chemists use for density. Let's start with solids and liquids. So the chemists actually use the units for density for solids and liquids are actually the same. They either use grams per centimeter cubed, or its equivalent, which is grams per milliliter. It's actually the same. Centimeter cube is the same volume as a milliliter. And by centimeter cube, it's as if I had a cube that had a side length of just 1 centimeter. So it's a little box that's just centimeters all around. And for gases, they use a different unit, which is grams per liter, which, as you can see, the difference between milliliters and liters. Milli means like a fraction of like 1,000. So a liter is 1,000 times greater than a milliliter. So that's the main difference there in terms of the units. I'm not really too sure why they decided to change these things, but that's just the notation and just how people always use it. So it's useful to know that there's a difference for gases versus the density of liquids and solids. So I hope this was helpful and allowed you to understand a little bit more about units, which are very important, and the building blocks of a lot of chemicals things. So yeah, thanks for listening.